Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Nandito po tayo sa rooftop again. Ito po yung aking pinakamamahal at very memorable place. Ito pong rooftop ng aking apartment where everything started. In this same place about 2 years ago, this is where I started really seeking and really asking God to get His approval, no? For me to be so prepared to receive the full glory, no? And the full blessings na ipinrepare niya sa akin. And by God's grace, He allowed it to happen. So, hindi ko po pwede itong kalimutan this place. This is the exact place, no? Yan po nakikita niya. This is where I stay. Sa likuran mismo ng itong tangke na to, no? So, ito pong yan pong ano na yan, yung semento na yan, napuno ko na po ng luha yan, ano? So, and it still happen until today, no? Every time I go here, tears, no? Tears of joy still flows out of my eyes, no? Because hindi ko pa rin po kayang intindihin kung yung gaano kalaki at gaano kaganda yung blessing na ibinigay sa akin ng Diyos, no? So I'm creating this special video for the team of Layalin of Singapore, no? They're having a special gathering today. So, wow, congratulations po sa inyong lahat dyan, and you're doing a great job of really touching lives, no? And giving hope to a lot of people. Of course, mga fellow Filipinos, then I'm sure very soon we will be touching lives and reaching out to foreign nationals as well. Pero salamat po ng marami because you have been doing something great. You have been doing something that's so special for everyone. So keep it up po, Team Singapore. Keep it up, Layalin. God has been using you to be a channel of this information, to be a channel of blessing. So as I was just pondering this morning, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung wisdom na pumasok sa akin through the Bible. Sabi po sa James chapter 3:16, live wise, live well, live wisely, live humbly. Yan 3 big phrases po today. Excuse me. Live well, live wisely, live humbly. Live well, so we just have to do it. We just have to be right. Everything should be well, no? So yun yung kailangan heart natin. Just live well, no? Enjoy it. Sa atin to eh. Biyaya, regalo. Live wisely. As you live well, as you enjoy life, make sure you're using this. And the wisdom should be, the wisdom should come from the source, no? Hindi po hindi sa comics, hindi sa magazine, hindi sa kung saan teleserye. It should come from the source of wisdom, which is God. All right, just to make sure you're living life to the maximum. Yes, you're having fun, you're living well, but you should be living in wisdom. And thirdly, live humbly. All right? Wala, hindi tayo pwedeng lumayo sa lupa. We are nothing without the presence and the grace of God. So, hindi tayo pwedeng maging mayabang. And guys, sobrang dami sa Bible that says, He opposes the proud. Ayaw ng Diyos sa mayayabang, believe me. So, make sure you are humble enough to always acknowledge Him. And when you face people, wala pang, mas magaling ako sa'yo, mas marami na akong nagawa, mas malayo na narating ko, wala ka. No, that's not right. Live humbly. Isa po sa mga paborito kong scripture, I think it's also in James, consider others better than yourself. Palaging ganon. So when people tries to step on you or tries to say something against you, always remind, this person is better than me. Always be reminded. Yun ang tamang puso. Para laging maisip, nga no, tama siya. He's better than me. So I should listen and I should learn. And you know what, guys? Every time we do that, the more we remain humble, the more we are being lifted up by God. Alright? Live well, live wisely, live humbly. Okay, Lealyn, maraming salamat for just giving me a chance to talk to your group. Just remember this, our win, the 3-win word of SWA: connect, create, uplift. Now, you're doing a great job there in Singapore, and to all our fellow Filipinos of all over the world, maraming salamat. Thank you for your leadership. I am so confident and I'm so sure that God is with you there. Congratulations. God bless everybody. Thank you po.